Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Let's dive into a quick edit of your Christmas mini shoots. This shot here is by Addison Photography. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. It's so cute. We're in Evoto with the LSP Hallmark presets. Perfect for your Christmas minis, but you can also use them on other images all year round. So what I recommend doing is going through the all-in-one section first, having a little click about and seeing which one is going to work best for your image. You can just have a click through and find your one. I think Toasty is really nice for this one, and you can set your own exposure and white balance a little bit, you know, get your image balanced using the bases and exposure and white balance. I'm going to turn off real-time colour. Now the cool thing about this is all the skin edit is included for you, so before and after. If this skin edit is designed as a very kind of Christmas Hallmark, you know, a holiday card, but you can come into the skin retouch section and hit gentle, and that's just going to, you know, tone it down just a little bit. So we have before and after. You can see here, before and after, and our subjects are looking really balanced. I'm just going to come into the crop and just crop this bit out a little bit. Just lining it all up, ready to go. And the cool thing about this as well is that you can sync this preset and your edit to the rest of the gallery in a couple of clicks. And that's basically your editing done for Christmas. I'm just using the healing brush tool here, just to get away from this area. Now it is pulling in a little bit from the outside, but that's okay. Always worth a shot, but if not, you can just take that over into Photoshop. I'm just going to use the clone. And that's done it. You can just hold down Alt for that one. This area here, I do recommend you're probably going to need to use Gen Fill in Photoshop or the LSP Select and Fix presets. But that's fine because these Evoto presets save you 90% of the time when you're editing. If you don't have a background to fix, even better. You see, that's not the worst thing in the world, but it's not ideal, is it? But that's fine. I mean, you can just do this and get a rough base, and then you can just whop them all into Photoshop once they're out of Evoto, and they will be done. Evoto is wonderful for the colours of your image, the tones, separating your subjects and the background, and adding gorgeous skin editing. So there's our before and our after using the LSP Hallmark presets in Evoto. Evoto is fast. With these presets installed, it is 10 times faster. Simply select all the other images, hit sync, and you are done. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching, and thank you Emma so much for sending in this image.